Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Veach brand, their K2 model electric spin scrubber. It's a cordless power scrubbing cleaning brush. Has inside a 2000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. Maximum power is 24 watts. It's a 7.2 volt system. Charge time is about 3 hours and it'll last about 1.5 hours on low speed. This is efficient cleaning. It's designed to clean 2 times faster than a manual scrubber. The electric spin scrubber has a maximum spin power of 300 revolutions per minute. And you could use this just about anything, grout, tiles, floor, even on pans. Comes with the unit itself, a USB-A to USB-C. This other piece right here that holds these fiber pads, and these are pretty abrasive. So I wouldn't use these on pans, but if you could do a stove, which we're going to demonstrate, an oven I should say, this is great. It's also great on your stove if you have some stubborn stains that this will help you remove. It is IPX7 waterproof, which is underwater 30 minutes, 3 feet. All you have to make sure is that you have this port closed if you're going to be using the unit once you charge it. We're going to show how to charge the unit now. Charging the handheld scrubber is really simple. You just use any USB-A 1 amp or greater port, plug in the USB-A cable, and then on the side of the unit there is an indicator blinking, and that green light LED will go solid green when it's complete charging. It takes 2.5 to 3 hours on a complete discharge the battery. And the scrubber comes with a nicely written instruction booklet. Let's take a look at the basic operation. So there's that port that I was showing, and we're going to close this up now because we're going to be demonstrating the actual operation of the unit. There's a button right here. When you hit this once, that's the low speed. You hit it again and it goes to the high speed. And it has a lot of torque. I try and stop it, I can't. Then you push it again and it shuts off. Very simple to use. And you notice it does have an LED on right there, and that'll start blinking if the power needs to be charged. Now the head does come off if you go and you turn it totally counterclockwise. It does come off like that, and then you have this other head that you can put those other scrubbers on there, and you go clockwise like that and it locks it in place. This is held on like Velcro, just like that. Very simple to operate, and it's got a nice feel to it. It's smooth and very balanced. So here I'm going to try the scrubber on my oven on this heat resistant glass because it's got some stains on there. So I'm just going to pre-spray it. This is just Dawn soap and water, which is a really good degreaser. Let that soak for about 5 minutes. So I'm using this attachment. Very easy to do. This is just low. Look how nice it foamed it up. You can see the grease is lifting. Now we're going to wipe this away. So I just wiped all the soap away. You could see a much better looking piece of glass, and it removed the grease off the sides too. So that scrubber really saved me a lot of effort. And cleaning, you could really just rinse it like this and run it on low and get the soap and the grease off it quite easily. And just shake it out while it's running, and it's ready for the next use. So here's the utility sink, and I'm going to be using the brush attachment and some pine sol. I'm going to spray it right on the brush and on the sink. Let's let that soak for a little bit, maybe 5 minutes. Now we use the scrubber. That was easy. Now we're going to rinse it out. So there you have it. I would clean the sink, clean the utility sink really nicely, and it was very easy to use. Saved my back all that extra effort. And it was so nice to be able to get into those corners because of the profile of this. So it did a great job, as you can see. So after testing, what do I think about the Veach brand, or K2 electric spin scrubber? Nice product, feels good in the hands. As I demonstrated, this thing works excellent for cleaning what I showed. Really nice product, simple and functional. Great price also. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. There'll be ordering links in the information and comments section. When you order this product, please use those links to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.